Hello guys, welcome to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial to sign up for Snapchat on Android. Before that, I want to ask you guys, how are you? You don't miss any of our videos? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, we go to the Snapchat application here. Before that, you can download in the App Store or Play Store. And after to download, click the Snapchat application and click sign up. Next, continue. Allow Snapchat to access your contact. Allow Snapchat to make the manage phone calls. And you can write down your name. Sign up and accept. Scroll down until you meet your birthday. Is a month and year. And next you can click the continue here, and the username is created by Liana Nuriel. Continue and set your password and continue. Wait for a minute. You can what's your address, write down here and continue. What's about your about number and continue. The Snapchat will be send you a confirm code, and this is of the reason, and you can click the continue here. And Snapchat also can give you appear that your friend to Snapchat the stories is based on your contact here. You can skip it or you can add. You can skip. And this is a rule that you allow to Snapchat to access your camera local storage to take photos. While access camera, turn on while using app. Access your media or device, allowed while using apps. And yeah, the Snapchat is ready to be work. This is a tutorial how to sign up your Snapchat on Android. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.